What's doing? My name's Jet, and welcome to Project.
Welcome, Project.
What's doing? We have Pajero, a bit of a different video, but same thing. We do a bit of a technical talk for you on this one. We've got Pajero in. We're going to code 2413, so I can remember it on the description. But it's the EGR code. Cars in limp mode, going slow.
Yeah, got us.
And so Jet's ready to jump the gun and pull the EGR, because these are really easy to get off. The EGR's just here, a couple of bolts, it comes off. So closer investigation finds the EGR is quite blocked, and probably understandably why it's stuck and doesn't want to move, because it's full of junk. But the flip side of that is that it is full. So for those that don't know, I'll explain. So the EGR, which is this thing, is an exhaust gas recirculation valve. So what it does is, it's just got tools going everywhere. Big tools, mate, bruh. So here, that pipe there comes out of your exhaust, goes through to here, and the EGR generally sits there. The valve opens, lets exhaust gas into the manifold, and tries to let the car do another burn of those exhaust gases to try and keep emissions down. So a second burn of that, the gas, will try and burn it off again. It's good for emissions. Bad part is, it's all good for fairies and daisies and all those sort of things. It's really, really bad to the engine. The outcome of that is this, where it clogs up with carbon nastiness and doesn't do anything good for the engine. The part that adds to that is obviously these have a bit of blow-by. So if I show you the throttle body here, just hold that hose back first just for us. You can see there's a little bit of oil there. That's just normal blow-by sort of stuff. When you combine oil with hot exhaust gas, it creates a carbon build-up, and this is a problem. The oil going through is good. It lubricates everything, cools everything, it's good for the valves, everything's fine like that. Excessive blow-by is bad, but the drama is when you combine the two of them, it creates a grenade for your motor. Well, not a grenade, but a blockage. So now we're going to have to pull this off, clean that out. So if we get the go-ahead, stuff going everywhere. If we get the go-ahead, I'll show you when Jet pulls it off, cleans it out, puts it back on, and then what we do to fix it. So stay tuned, be back soon. So the little Linkosaurus here has got the top part of the manifold off. There's two parts in these manifolds. There's a top log, wherever that is. Where's your top log gone? Top log's on the ground. So we have a top log, which is where your throttle body bolts to on the front here, and then at the back you can see the awesome goodness there. Well, it's actually falling out as I stacked it. Awesome goodness there. So, just touched it. It's all over me, Jet. It's all over me.
It's over you.
But yeah, that's the bottom part of the manifold, and she looks delicious. So we're going to pull this out. We're going to clean it by hand and put it back on and make it all nice and good again, and no more EGR issues. So the manifold is off, and we can see down here, Jet can hold the light for me down there, Geosaurus. We can see all the carbon that's in the manifold, and that goes into your head and into your valves. And not a good thing. So the manifold's here, and we got all of this. It's all sludgy and chunky and nasty. So we'll clean all that out, and we'll get it all back on. We'll get all good as new, and nice and clean. So someone jumped the gun, got a bit excited, and started putting the manifold back on, but we haven't. You can sort of see there it's nice and clean on the outside. But we have this one, which you can now see is spotless, no gunk. Obviously some stainage there, but it's now nice and clean. So the main bottom part of the manifold's the same, and nice and clean. So he's cleaned that all up. It's all going back on. Manifold will go back on together, and be all nice and clean and ready for the next part. The car's all back up and running. It's all clean, idling nicely, and no engine light. So no more engine light, all clear and good to go. So Jet can hop in and drive this one out. She's all good to go. But there is another part if we want to do it. There is another part. We can do the on-car intake clean. So when I showed you earlier in the video, you could see the intake runners where we cleaned out the manifold side, but actually above the valves there's all clean gunk in there as well. Obviously we clean that out by hand, but it doesn't get everything out or inside the combustion chamber. So the last part, if you want to do that, is obviously clean, is do an on-car clean as well, and that'll do the final part, it'll clean all that, and actually dissolves all that carbon down and burns it all out. It doesn't just shoot it out and blast it, it actually dissolves it, melts it out back down to a fine oil as what it would if your breather, your crankcase breathing would go through anyway. So nothing dangerous, nice and clean. Gets it all back to factory and running and driving away it should. So if you want any information on that, give us a call 5491 4626. EGR problems in lots of cars. These things are really, really bad for whatever reason, just a really poor design. They clog up and they just, turn the cars into lemons to drive. To the point where they almost stop because it actually clog up that badly. So we can clean it. If the EGR is faulty, it's another story. We can talk about it in another video about what we can do with that. But generally that code will come up if the EGR can't move. So that we can get that all sorted for you. So give us a call, 5491 4626. Hit that like, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more.